Alright, hey guys, Wing096 here, and today we're going to be looking at the high-grade Gundam Thunderbolt Full Armor Gundam. Now, the Full Armor Gundam, one of my favorite suits, really badass. I like it. And it also happens to come from one of my favorite animes in the Gundam series, man in general. Now, Gundam Thunderbolt had a really good soundtrack, really good suit, just good in general. Oh. But we're getting off topic here, so let's take a look at the actual box, huh? Alright. So, here's what we're looking at here. Sick pose. Oh, this kit comes with a stand, by the way, forgot to mention. Has a bunch of weapons, bunch of accessories in general. Just sweet. Still image from the manga? I mean, from the anime? Sorry. More Full Armor Gundam? Alright, now we're looking at the actual kit itself, huh? That's what it looks like up close. Oh, that is pretty cool. I like that. I like that. All its accessories. So stand, shield, a little bit of everything. Maybe a little too much, huh? Alright, let's take a look at this, huh? Take a look at this. So, nice sticker sheet. Oh man, that is a lot of stickers, huh? Actually about 39 stickers, huh? Well then. Sorry, I should put this. These are for his guns, looks like. The barrel beam rifle and his shield. One of the many shields. Armor parts. More stickers. These aren't too bad. More shields too. Clear parts. 2 long beam sabers. Polycaps. More shields. And now, that's it. Now we have this instruction booklet left. Phase 78 Full Armor Gundam Thunderbolt version. Same thing but in Japanese. Now let's take a look at this. Hold on, gotta look at the back first. Coloring marking guide. Sweet. This is Isle Fleming, as you can see. Gerald Lawrence. Pretty sweet pose. Nah, I'm almost afraid to look at this thing. Oh man, that is, whew. Well then. This is more of a magazine, not a booklet. Jeez. Not focus. Damn. Man, oh man. That is quite a lot. And that's not even the whole thing. Or is it? Yes. So the rest was for the actual gun. And that little section I just showed you there was for his weapons and such. Now, we finally got to get a good look at the Full Armor Gundam, huh? So, my thoughts so far, this looks like a pretty lengthy build, but packs a lot of punch, or 1/44 grayscale. And hey, I look forward to building this thing. I just might make a time-lapse build of this. Also, keep an eye out for the Zaku. I also have that, and I will be reviewing it in the next coming days. Alright, thank you for watching, and have a good day. Hguc 96 signing off.